The 2026 Audi Q9 has finally arrived. And it's not just another luxury SUV, it's Audi's boldest, most futuristic move yet in the full-size SUV segment. If you thought the Q7 and Q8 were impressive, the Q9 is here to reset expectations. Designed from the ground up to compete with the Mercedes GLS, BMW X7, and even the Range Rover, the Q9 stands as Audi's largest, most luxurious, and tech-savvy SUV ever. It's big, it's bold, and it's beautiful. Let's talk design first, because that's where the Q9 makes an immediate statement. Up front, it wears Audi's new single-frame grille with a wide and sculpted look, flanked by razor-thin matrix LED headlights that almost look like something from a concept car. The lighting signature is customizable thanks to Audi's new digital light feature. Yes, you can literally choose your headlight pattern. The bumper has aggressive air intakes and a more squared-off stance than its smaller siblings. The Q9 feels wider and taller than the Q8, but Audi has cleverly designed it so it doesn't look bloated, just powerful and elegant. Move to the side profile, and you see the sheer length of this thing, over 5.2 meters long. It rides on massive 23-inch wheels on the top trim, with muscular fenders and a long, sculpted body line that adds motion even when it's parked. The rear is equally sharp, with a full-width old taillight bar that animates on lock and unlock. The tailgate is almost wagon-like in shape, which means real practicality behind the style. But where the Q9 really steps up is inside. The cabin is unlike anything else Audi has done. You're greeted by a full-width digital dashboard that includes Audi's next-gen virtual cockpit, a massive curved OLED center display, and a secondary haptic touch panel for climate control. The materials are premium on every surface: leather, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and even recycled ocean plastics in the sustainable interior package. The ambient lighting system is now reactive. It shifts color based on drive mode, weather, or even the music you're playing. In the front seats, you get heated, ventilated, and massaging chairs as standard in most trims. But the real is the second row. In the executive lounge package, Audi replaces the bench with two captain's chairs that recline, heat, cool, and massage. Plus, there's a center console with a chilled compartment, touchscreen controls, and even deployable footrests. There's also an optional 8-inch screen mounted in each front seat back, giving passengers full control over media, lighting, and even navigation. And yes, there's a third row, but unlike most three-row SUVs, the Q9's back seats are genuinely adult-friendly with real legroom, USB-C ports, and Q-folders. Powering the Q9 are multiple drivetrain options, including a new plug-in hybrid that combines a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 with a 25.9 kilowatt-hours battery, giving you over 50 miles of pure electric range and a combined output of around 500 horsepower. If you want more performance, the SQ9 delivers with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing nearly 600 horsepower, rocketing this three-row luxury liner from 0 to 60 in just under 4.1 seconds. All versions get Audi's legendary Quattro all-drive system and a new air suspension setup that not only adapts to road conditions in milliseconds, but also uses predictive tech to smooth out bumps before you hit them. Rear-wheel steering is standard on most trims, giving this giant surprising agility in tight spaces. Audi also brings its latest generation of driver assistance tech, including enhanced adaptive cruise with lane centering, automatic lane changes, and even hands-free driving on mapped highways in select countries. The Q9 can park itself, pull out of tight spaces remotely via smartphone, and thanks to a new AI co-pilot, it can even recognize when you're drowsy or distracted and gently alert you with voice or vibration. But what really sets the Q9 apart in 2026 isn't just the tech or the power or even the space. It's the way Audi has created a true flagship experience. This isn't just a bigger Q8. This is Audi flexing its muscles to show what happens when they go all in on comfort, luxury, and innovation. The sound insulation is so good it's like driving in a cocoon. The optional Bang & Olufsen 3D advanced sound system uses 30 speakers, including some in the headrests, to create an immersive audio bubble tailored to each passenger. There's even a fragrance system that lets you customize the scent of the cabin depending on mood or time of day. And of course, you get over-the-air updates, integrated Google services, and a new virtual assistant that understands natural language better than ever. You can say "I'm cold" and it'll raise the temperature near you, or "Take me somewhere quiet" and it'll find a park or quiet cafe. Trunk space with all seats up, you get about 400 liters more than most rivals. Fold the third row, and it jumps to over 1,100, and with both rows down, you get a van-rivaling 2,200 liters of flat cargo area. Pricing starts around $85,000 for the base model and can climb well north of $130,000 for the SQ9, with all the luxury packages checked. Audi says the Q9 is built for families, executives, and anyone who wants the comfort of a private jet without leaving the ground. And honestly, they're not exaggerating. After spending time in it, you can tell this isn't just about being big, it's about being exceptional. If you're in the market for a top-tier luxury SUV that doesn't compromise on anything space, performance, design, or tech, the 2026 Audi Q9 should be at the top of your list. It's more than just Audi's biggest SUV. It might just be its best.